face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Welcome to today's vlog in Nigeria. So my day started off with me having okpa for breakfast. I have missed this food so much. If you're not from Enugu, you will never understand what this okpa means. This was me, my brother the groom, and my younger sister in the back. We're on our way to New Gariki, Enugu, to buy a cow and a goat for my brother's traditional marriage. Enugu State hasn't really changed a lot since I left. So we finally made it to the place, but we had to move around first to check everywhere just to find the best one before we proceeded for the goat first, because we wanted to buy a goat first. It was so hot this day, and after a long search, we settled for this white cow for this ceremony. And this cow is for the bride's family, so we are supposed to send this for them to use and cook for us when we come for that traditional marriage. And we stopped by for a suya, very delicious suya. And this is us on our way to Artisan Market to buy some yams. The yams are for the bride's family as well. These are the yams. They are so huge. And that concludes the vlog for today. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and share the video. And it was time for us to go home. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, take care.